guys, I am coming on here to show you guys how I do my like my skincare routine operation to get the skin clear. Okay, so I am going to clean my face with the turmeric and charcoal facial soap. That's how it looks. And then I am going to do the bentonite clay face mask. I'm going to show y'all how I mix that up. So first things first, I'm going to like I said, wash my face with the turmeric and charcoal facial soap. This soap is really good. It has, of course, organic turmeric and activated charcoal in it. It also has it has shea butter, it has cocoa butter, and it has tea tree essential oil. And we all know that tea tree essential oil is really great for like antibacterial, antifungal properties, anti-inflammatory properties. This is really good, especially with this coronavirus stuff that's going on. We definitely need some tea tree. Okay, and it also has babasu oil in it. Babasu oil is really great for skin like acne and evening out like pigmentations, like dark spots and stuff like that that's in your face, which is something that I really need. This is how this is packaged. Be careful, champ. But I already have mine open and I use mine every time I shower. It's best to actually use this like twice a day when you first wake up and before you go to bed. My kids are in the tub, so excuse the noise. Also, what I love to do is like focus on my problematic area, which is like here, like mainly like my cheeks, really. I'll go ahead and rinse my face and moisturize it as normal. But because I'm doing the my face mask, I'm gonna let this sit until I'm done mixing the mask. I'm gonna go in with the bentonite clay. Apple cider vinegar, you're gonna need it with the mother, and it needs to be raw and unfiltered. You don't really need measuring spoons unless you want to use it. Because I have it, I'm gonna use it just so that I can show y'all. But this is the soap that is on my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and it comes with this, so you can just go ahead and tear that part off. and never, it'll have the warning label on it. This is my own one, but it'll have the warning label on it. It'll tell you do not like mix the bentonite clay in anything metal. It's best to use like a glass, plastic, or a wooden bowl and mixing utensil. Because if you mix it up with metal, it's gonna have some sort of reaction and you don't want it. This is a half tablespoon. I'm gonna go in and put that in there. And that should be enough. If not, I'll add more. And this is a teaspoon right here. So I'm gonna check to see if that is enough. And it may not be. Nope. So I'm gonna go in with another teaspoon. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off my face. Alright, so now that I have the mask on, I am going to let this dry. And as it's drying, you're gonna feel it like pulsating and it's gonna get really tight. You know, you're gonna be closing up the pores and all that good stuff. So I'll show y'all what it look like once it dries. It's been a couple minutes and it's definitely getting tighter. And as it dries, you'll see it like start to crack. Feels like cracking. I am back. It has been about like 2 minutes and it is even more tighter and drier. This is what my skin is looking like after the clay and washing and everything. So once I'm done with rinsing the mask off, my face feels so good. Oh my gosh, I love this mask. But I'm gonna go in with my face moisturizer, and it is an aloe face moisturizer. And I will be adding this to the website soon. I just want to test it out. I've been testing it out for a few weeks now. So for now, you can use whatever natural face moisturizer that you have. Even if you want to just use like shea butter, you can definitely do that. Shea butter is really great. And there you have it. That is my face routine and my mask routine. I do not use the bentonite clay mask every day. Once or twice a week is really great. Yeah guys, that's my skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching. And all of the products that I did use will be listed down below in the description box. That is the link. Go ahead and check out my website. Check out these products and let me know how you like it. Thank you so much for watching.